How to use watches for IntelliJ IDEA debugging. Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out why your code isn't working as expected? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will talk about a handy feature in IntelliJ IDEA that can make debugging a lot easier: watches. Let's get into how you can use them effectively. Watches in IntelliJ IDEA allow you to monitor specific expressions or variables while you debug your application. This means you can see how values change as you step through your code without needing to check each variable manually. To start using watches, first, you need to begin debugging your application. Set a breakpoint in your code where you want the execution to pause. Once the program hits that breakpoint, you will see the debug tool window pop up. If you do not see the watches pane, you can easily find it in the debugger tabs. Now let's add a watch. You can do this in two ways. The first option is to click on the expression or variable you want to watch in your code or the variables pane. From there, select Add to Watches. The second option is to type the expression directly into the watches pane. You can do this by clicking the Add Watch button or using the shortcut. On Windows or Linux, that shortcut is Shift plus Control plus Enter. For Mac OS, it is Shift plus Command plus Enter. Once you add a watch, the expression will be evaluated in the context of the current stack frame. You will see its value appear in the watches pane. As you step through your code using the step over, step into, or step out options, the watch expression will be reevaluated automatically. This means you will see updated values in real time. Watches can handle more than just simple variables. You can watch complex expressions, method calls, calculations, or even access elements within collections. This flexibility makes them a powerful tool for debugging. Watches stay active across different debug sessions until you decide to remove them. This is great because it allows you to keep track of important expressions without needing to add them again each time you debug. You might wonder when to use watches. They are particularly useful for monitoring the state of specific variables or object properties that are key to your bug investigation. You can also track results of expressions that might not be visible in the variables pane. For example, if you are working with filtered or computed data, watches can help you see how those values change. Another practical use is observing how collections or maps evolve as your program runs. If you have a hypothesis about why a variable's value is incorrect, you can watch related expressions to test your theory. Watches complement another tool in IntelliJ IDEA called the Evaluate Expression tool. This tool allows you to run code snippets or inspect values on demand while debugging. Watches automate this process by continuously updating selected expressions, which saves you time and effort. By mastering the use of watches, you can gain better control over what you observe during debugging. This helps you identify and fix programming bugs more efficiently. Whether you are dealing with complex logic or data transformations, watches provide immediate feedback on how values change step by step. So, next time you are debugging in IntelliJ IDEA, remember to make good use of watches to streamline your process.